Hi students, welcome to today's class. This is Rahul Chandra. Today we are telling about 3 to R18 JNTH Triple students about their subject, present running subject, that is power semiconductor drives. We know that power semiconductor drives is one of the difficult subject in the Triple department. It is the combination of three subjects. It's electrical machines, power electronics, and control systems. The combination of these three subjects, these three subjects, this is power semiconductor drives. Means the drives means machines. That controlling purpose we are using the thyristor, that is power electronics. The process of controlling the machines by using the control system. This is the subject main thing. How to control the machine by using thyristors as well as the logic of control system. The controlling of machines that bases upon control system. We have different types of machines. Let us take AC machines. AC and DC. There are different types in AC and DC. Let us induction and synchronous, separately excited, and self excited. These are two types of machines in AC and DC. How to control this type of drives? We nothing but machines, nothing but drive. How to control? That is the main concept of power semiconductor drive. By control, we have studied in machines how to control induction motor, how to control DC motor, the speed and torque. The speed can be controlled by varying the resistance and varying the frequency in the AC machines, as well as the DC machines also. Now, how to perform? The same may be go all the subjects by Rahul Chandra, the power electronics and other subjects also. The JN to R80, maybe I give perfect all total syllabus of electrical power semiconductor drives. In next class, what is the syllabus, how to prepare the syllabus, and what are the topics you have, how to prepare for the exam. Thank you for today's session.